because we've gotten a lot of questions too about like where is it derived from,
Right.
because there's a lot of different things out there like plant stem cells, bone marrow stem cells, even embryonic, which I know is like pretty much a big no-no.
Yeah,
So
right.
what can you explain, like how do we get that material?
Yeah, so it's tissue to tissue.
Okay.
So we are pulling from skin tissue. They actually come from live human donors that go to tissue banks inside the US, and it's a highly regulated thing by the FDA.
Okay.
So we're actually getting live human tissue.
Okay.
So we're not pulling from any other resources. We want to give back to the skin what the skin is producing.
So in the lab itself, is that what is taking place? Like when you mentioned Mother Nature, so is it like you're speeding up the process so you can create it topically, or how natural are we talking?
Yeah, we literally let the process take as long as it needs to take. We do not crush the stem cells to get these molecules. We do not extract the molecules. They become actually three-dimensional correctly folded proteins that then get enveloped by an exosome, and that's what goes into the product. There are no stem cells in our products. It are the healing molecules that are derived from the stem cells.
So no genetic material.
No genetic material.
Nothing like that. Okay, so speaking to kind of how this works, what order do you use it? Because people aren't really quite sure, do I use it at the end? What is that?
Yeah, so I like to think of it this way. Always use the highest amount of stem cells first. So if you are using recovery with, say, our skin serum that has 20% of the molecules in it, you would want to apply recovery first and then layer the skin serum on top of that.
Okay. I'm excited for this video. We want to really dive into our hero product, Recovery. So we have a ton of questions all the time. I think the most frequently asked question is really, is this safe to use daily? I mean, what's in it? Can you speak to that?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, Recovery is really our superstar product. It has 70% of our stem cell released molecule technology in it, which is the highest amount of all of our products. I love Recovery for so many things. I love to tell our clinicians, I think everybody needs this in their treatment room as well as on their bathroom counter, because it just does so many wonderful things.
Can you tell me about what's actually in the Recovery serum?
Yeah, so it has our S²RM technology in it, which is adipose-derived stem cells.
Okay.
So we're using what Mother Nature has already prepared for us to give back to the skin topically, what it once was producing when it was young and healthy.
Okay.
And that's what really helps with so many different things, whether it be acne, chronic skin conditions, cuts, scrapes, burns, anything like that. Recovery is great for. It is absolutely safe to be used every day. A lot of our clients will use it twice a day, but if you're more cost conscious, you can use it once a day. It's just a fantastic product.
Can you combine it with any other serums? To speak to that, if you're going to do it, every other day, what would you substitute it with?
Yeah, so we do have a lot of questions that come in about using Recovery with retinols, and I always suggest alternating the use of both of them. Don't use them together, just because
different
they're
times
so
of the
active.
day.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
So if you're alternating, do your retinol one night, Recovery the other night, or you can use one of our other serums like skin serum or booster on the nights that you're not using Recovery.